Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the new Apple Watch Series 4. I just received this morning and I did actually open it before I thought to myself that I would actually want to do an unboxing. So it was actually only the charger I unwrapped. So I've just popped it all back in, and yeah, I just thought I really enjoyed watching them before I ordered it. And I did one for my iPad and it was quite good, so well, I enjoyed making it. So let's get on to the important stuff. This is what I ordered. I went for the Series 4 silver aluminium case and the seashell sport loop. I'm not sure what colour, like it's a white grey colour, but I'm not sure what the official name is on the, like, if you were going to order it. This is the 40mm, so the new ones, the new small is slightly bigger. I think the previous one was 38mm, so this is 40 and the larger one is 42. So you unpackage it like this and you get the coolest interior. I love this. It literally looks amazing. You can see there's like all these different watches drawn on the inside. I love all this like illustration. I think it really appeals to me. And then here you've got the Apple Watch. So you've got another little illustration there. Underneath you've got the band and then some paperwork. So this might say here which one. Sport loop, and just says seashell, so that must be the colour. So this is what it comes inside the box. You've got your Apple Watch here. Oh, I must have knocked that out. You've got your paperwork, which I actually haven't looked at, but I really want to get like a really clear understanding of it because I don't want to sort of miss out on anything that I could be doing with it. Then inside, as I said, I'd opened up the charger, so it comes with this little charger here, and I'm assuming it just sort of sits on top. And then you have this, which is the new style plug, which I actually got with my iPad, which I love. But the benefit is that this is USB as opposed to the one that came with my iPad was USB-C to USB-C, whereas this one you plug in USB, which I will be using for my iPhone as well. Then in this little pouch here you get the Apple Watch. This is like a really soft fabric. I love it. Excuse my nails, guys. I'm like growing out acrylics and orange from fake tan. So it comes in this, which I'm like, it's a little tough to get out. And then you can see on the screen there, it just says to bring close to the iPhone. So I will just pop that to the side whilst I show you the armband. Let me pop it in the right way. And then we can set it up together, which will be a good one. So I'll put that to one side. And then this is how the armband comes, just in this box. And then it comes in there. So obviously sits nice and flat. This is what it looks like. This is the sport loop, and it connects with like a bit of Velcro there. And then these have got the little magnetizers in, so that it attaches to the watch. That's what I saw on the previous videos. So yeah, that's what it looks like so far. Let's go ahead and pop it onto the watch. So I'm going to keep this as my background, but this is the watch strap. And I'm just going to pop this out of its little pod. It says on the back here about it being 40mm. You can see it's got, I can't remember what everyone called this, ion glass. But people were saying it was like, oh, I can't remember. Anyway, so I'm going to pop this in here, like so. I don't want to go too heavy-handed. Oh, there we go. And then you can see, just clicks in. It says wait for the click. That's what I've heard everyone say. And then same again on this side. There we go. So let me just wipe that off. And you can see that's what it looks like. Looks really smart actually for like not being a metal wristband, or I wasn't too keen on the rubber one, but I thought this would be good for now, and if I want to upgrade then I can, but I think this looks quite smart. I don't want anything too in your face, I just want it to do its job and something that's subtle and just will like go in with my outfits. I don't want it to be like a major feature piece, so that's why I thought this sport loop would be a good option. I just thought I would show you guys the setup. I hope that you can see it. I've got my watch here and it just says iPhone, Apple Watch, bring iPhone near. So I'm going to click start pairing. Oh wow, okay, so hold up to the phone. That is just connected through the camera. Update your Apple Watch. To finish pairing your Apple Watch. Oh, okay, so update. Activating Apple Watch. This may take a few minutes. I've actually already got a few messages of people saying they've recently... Oh, let me log in. They've recently got an Apple Watch and they're like much more active and like really enjoying using it. A couple of my friends have them. That was sort of what I wanted. More of a reason to get one, and they were saying how great they found them. Like you could leave your phone and not have to go on it, which is what I really want from it. I know it sounds silly, but let me just say download and install. Bring it off. Agree. So that is just downloading now. We'll leave that there. Yeah, they'd noticed like it was just nice to be able to sort of leave your phone and not go near it, which is kind of what I'm hoping I'll get from it. I just don't want to be on my phone all the time, plus like that way I might miss emails and stuff, which is sort of why I got it, was that I nearly missed a really important email on the weekend, during the week, and I just didn't want to risk like missing out on good opportunities, because I'm like trying not to be on my phone as much, which sounds really silly, but I just want less screen time. So I think this will be a nice way to, like they said, it's cool that, you know, you'll get a notification through on your phone and you'll know you won't have to go and pick it up, so you can be like, oh, it's not important, like I can see who it is, as opposed to like constantly clicking on your phone and like I'm a nightmare. I'll go on it and then that's it, I'm like scrolling through Instagram stories and I've like lost half the day. So I'm hoping it will sort of be able to change that for me. Cool, so we are finally through to the next step, which is putting the apps and stuff on your phone. So previously, before this, was just the screen that asked me to log into my Apple ID account so that it connects the watch to the Apple ID. So it just says here, Apple Watch shares settings with your iPhones for your location, Find My iPhone, Siri and Analytics. That's a-okay. So it's asked me to create a passcode for my Apple Watch. So you can see that's just gone in there. So I'm just going to take that away and pop in a code. And it's asked me just to re-enter that code. So I'm going to pop that there. Heart health, low heart rate and high heart rate notifications, yes. Don't want to tap it too quick, it's being slightly slow today. Okay, and then Apple Pay. I do actually have a card on my Apple Pay, it just doesn't work, so I'm gonna actually set that one up later. It says that you can hold the side button here, that one there, and it will call the emergency services for you. So yes, that's fine, thank you. And now it's just syncing, which is really cool. I just thought while this is doing its thing, I could show you guys how the charger works. So you can see that just goes like so. This plugs in here like any USB. And then this is like slightly weighted, sits nice and flat, sorry, on the table. And then I would probably undo one of the straps and, oh, how weird is that? Have I got it the wrong way around? Yeah, I have. Sorry, that sits nicely on the table and it like magnetizes. Ooh. So it's pretty secure, which is good. It's probably really hard to see now because of the lights, but you can see it says it is ready now. Press the digital crown to start. Woo! Made a noise. Oh my god, yeah, so there we go. I press OK on here. It just says about stuff you can use. You can see that that's set up in there. And yeah, this is what it looks like. That's the face I chose on my phone earlier when it gave me an option. And then I suppose if we just look at some of the basic features. I clicked it, I'll pop my passcode in. And then I said press that for home. You can get an idea there, sorry I just hit it, about all the different features. These are the apps that I have on my phone, I think. And then a few that I'll be downloading, which is like the Nike Run app, or is that it? No, that's Workout. And then text messages, you can see. Music, which is really cool. So downloaded songs. Yeah, so that is it for now, guys. This is what my little Apple Watch looks like. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Yeah, remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!